We all know that some of Andonstar microscopes feature dual lenses, a main lens and an auxiliary lens. Today, we will use the auxiliary lens to assist with soldering. First, we use a hot air gun to solder a QFN. We can take out the auxiliary lens to inspect. Attach an accessory. After soldering, we need to check the soldering condition of the pins. In this way, you don't need to adjust the object distance of the main lens and refocus. If any defects are found, we can directly repair them. Dip some solder on the tip and use drag soldering to separate the excess solder. Another situation. We often use jumper wires to bypass faulty components and connect the circuit. These wires are very thin. After soldering, we can use the auxiliary lens to check if the soldering is in place.